Welcome to Pocket Women Lockout Tagout Tuesday, hashtag Lotto Tuesday, the series we started so that we can feature lockout tagout locks, the locks that keep our workers safe. I've got two here. These are the two that I got at that garage sale that time. This one was pretty gunked up, managed to give it a bit of a clean out with Chris Capoon's method of spraying lighter fluid into the core and getting all the gunk out. So that seemed to have worked quite well and cleaned up quite nicely. So I'm going to give these a shot today. I'm going to go for the red one. You're going to have to hold them like this because this thing's in the way. These are the 406. We found this out thanks to Starrylock. These are the ones with the Wrigley Keyway. And the Keyway is actually the 400B. So thanks very much, matey, for finding all that information out for us. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to go in with a commercial pick, the Peterson Gem I think it's called. Thanks to Jake 1973 for sending that one to me. And we're going to try top of the Keyway. In the Wrigley section. Will that work? No. Okay, we'll go bottom of the Keyway. Change how I hold these now. Let's turn them around. Okay. Alright, let's give it a whirl. So this is my practice session. I've decided to film all my practices with lotto locks because you never know when you're going to get lucky and get an open, and when you do, you're going to want that on film. Some more light. Bit of a click up the back. Now this warding is quite difficult to get around. I've got to make sure that I stay to that side of it. And as with all of these lockout tagout locks, master locks, you've got to have nice and light tension. I don't have a key for these. So it's going to be a lot of practice, trial and error to find out what picks I need to get in, how high the cuts are, how low the cuts are. I've only ever seen one other person pick one of these, the 406, and that was Cameron Dunn. I think it was his video 92, but don't quote me on that. Totally getting jammed up on that warding. Let's try and do this another way. Oh, you're kidding me. I've got it open, I've got it. I'm stuck, but I've got it. Have I got it? Turn, 90 degrees. Don't turn it past 90 degrees or you will end up spilling all the pins into the bottom. Oh, wow. I can't believe I got that. That is just fabulous. Oh, yes. Okay. Happy days. This is the 406 with the 400B Keyway for Lockout Tagout Tuesday. Oh, I did it. So I've just got the yellow one to go. Give that a crack. Try and get that open. Wow. Very happy picker. Happy Lockout Tagout Tuesday. Hashtag Tuesday so we can find your videos. Happy picking, stay legal, temptation is everywhere.